Today, if you have a sweet tooth, you have come to the right place. We are making some wonderfully sweet treats ready for you to eat in a very short space of time. As a busy family who don't have an awful lot of time, when we get the munchies for something sweet to eat, we want something that's nice and quick so that we don't have to spend too long making it and we can enjoy it as quickly as we possibly can. With that in mind, we will be making delicious mug cakes, which we can cook, weirdly enough, in the microwave.
So this should be the quickest cake in the world. Yum!
Welcome back to our channel,
KittyKate and Livvy-Bel.
If you're new to our channel, KittyKate and Livvy-Bel is all about family fun, life hacks, beauty, cooking and more. As you may or may not know, we do like to make a few cakes in this house. I don't know if you've seen our other channel, KittyKate's Cakes. We regularly make cakes and decorate them together, sometimes me on my own, sometimes the kids get involved, but we do like to do things that are fun and nice to eat as a reward after you're done. So with all that in mind, this should hopefully be a nice quick treat for us to make together and enjoy in no time flat. This particular recipe is not one of our own, it is something we have looked up online. There were a number of different recipes, all very similar. This particular one apparently takes 5 minutes to prepare and then 1 minute to actually cook, there or thereabouts. So we're talking about a top end of around 6 minutes to be able to prepare this particular treat to eat. We are going for a molten chocolate mug cake, so it should be pretty tasty. So here's what you'll need. 3 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, 30 grams of melted butter, and a few drops of vanilla extract. We have twice as much ingredients because we are making 1 mug cake each. Start by putting your flour into your cup. Then it's time for the sugar. You can add more to taste. Then the cocoa goes in. Crack your egg. Pour it in. Then the milk. The melted butter. You can melt the butter in the microwave very quickly, around 10 seconds. Vanilla extract is next, just a few drops. We did ours by eye. Then it's time to mix everything all together as fast as you can. We put ours in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. You may need to adjust the time dependent on your own microwave. We decided to empty ours out onto bowls because we'd like to enjoy it with some cream. You could choose different toppings, maybe ice cream or custard, sauces, maybe fruit. The choice is yours. Now it's time to tuck in and enjoy. Very nice. What do you think?
It's delicious.
So sorry, we're talking with our mouths full. This is a very nice chocolate cake and it didn't take very long to make. If you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. That's the most important one. Please do subscribe to our channel. We really do love the support we've had so far and we'd really appreciate as many subscribers as we can possibly get. If you have any suggestions for future bakes or fun quick tips on what we can make to enjoy together, then do feel free to give us a little comment and share some details about what you might like to see from us. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy our cake.
If you enjoyed this video today, please remember to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to click on the bell to get future notifications of any videos that we have coming soon.